Hi, my name is Barry Paul. I'm with Blue Nose Aerial Imaging out of Temecula, California. Blue Nose is a nationwide franchise of drone operators. We do traditional drone services. I got into this industry because I spent 30 years in 3D and 2D visualization. And drones are doing pretty much the same thing, similar things I've done for 30 years, is collecting data, building deliverables with 2D and 3D data. I see a lot of companies out there. I think there's a couple different problems with the way companies look at the drone industry. One is they don't really understand it. They don't understand what a drone can give to them in value. They don't understand what's possible. So I think one of the things we need to do as an industry is teach people, educate people as to what is possible. What can you do with a drone now that you've done other ways in the past that can help? And a lot of the people higher up in companies, and there's a lot of people that do things traditionally, they don't get it. So we need to educate these people on how we can help them, as well as there's a siloed approach in a lot of companies with the way they do business. If we go out and do drone work for them, not only can we do what the problem is that we need to solve right then, but there's a lot of other things that can be utilized out of what a drone can collect for them. What kind of data? What other use cases or problems can we solve for a company? So I think even as they start to understand this better and start to realize what kind of ROI they can get out of implementing drones, think outside the box and don't be siloed in your approach. What else can I do? If I'm going to have a drone operator out there, what other problems can they solve for me while they're doing it? So bringing a multifaceted approach to a problem or just to things that you want to improve is don't narrow yourself into a corner or a silo with what you're doing. Understand what drones can offer and take benefit of all the different advantages that are out there. So I think that's one thing we can do better, is just educate users and getting people that don't really understand it. We're not just people out there that bought a drone at Costco. We actually can provide a real service that has real ROI for you and your business. And I think getting people to understand that is what I think is still a big challenge out there, because I've talked to many people through Blue Nose when I go out to do ag work or go look to do golf course management, look at the health of the golf course. They just don't understand what a drone can actually do. They look at it and think, well, what can that do for me? So I think educating people and getting them to understand the benefits is one of the key things we could do different to improve this industry. Thank you.